Simon Ekpa'S replacement steps down as Finland completes process for his release. Yes, my dear listeners, the same way he was replaced is the same way he will be returned back to office. I greet everybody out there listening to me through this very channel. This is the Lord TV. You're all welcome to today's broadcast. No, small matter. Yes, so Simon Njoku Ekpa. What can be more interesting than knowing that this guy is actually doing it right? Yes, so he's really doing it right. What else? Um, Following the declaration of the United States of Biafra, and Simon Ekpa'S and supporters, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOP, actually have declared distance themselves from the event. That was then, and again, is a female commander by name Ngozi Orabrizi took over his position, though she happened to be the deputy to Simon Ekpa when that was before his arrest. But now Orabrizi prepares to step down as the Finland authority concludes process for Simon Ekpa's release. Now, powerful underscored that there are currently no operational structure for a newly declared Biafra, emphasizing that there is no Biafran uh, currency, bank, police, or any recognized governmental establishment by Simon Ekpa, even if he is released today. Evidence has proved that Simon Ekpa is innocent as the Finland authority conclude plan to release him. Now, Simon Ekpa sending message to his delegates as call for calm as process for his freedom soon be ready. He has urged those behind this very process to pen down their process because his freedom is going to be done as swift as possible. Well, now, during a conference outside the Finland prison, Dr. Ngozi Orabrizi announced the plan to step down as notes and messages has been delivered for Simon Ekpa to be free. Now, Orabrizi has identified as the Chief of Staff of the United States of Biafra, proclaimed the region's independence and stated that she will be declining as the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and Simon Ekpa will be released any moment from now. Now, and the atmosphere of the republic has changed as positions has been reinstated. Other supporters of IPOP has stormed the atmosphere as agitation for Biafran freedom regain its position. Now, still on the matter, however, critics within the Biafra movement have raised significant concern about the Finland decision to release Simon Ekpa. Many argue that it's going to be quickie, as some said it's still on process. Though Sunday Edeson, a man representing the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra, has acknowledged the very call for Simon Ekpa's freedom as he pleaded for calm as the Finland authority is willing and ready to do it quickly as possible. Meanwhile, discussions about the potential extradition of Simon Ekpa has finally been dropped as Nigerian government shows some atom of regrets. They never they regret. Because why? Because there wasn't any time Finland said that they are going to extradite Simon Ekpa. They just told them, submit your requirements, and they stupidly submitted the requirements. And what happened? They dismissed that very requirement. That is what is good for them. And I love what the Finland authority have just done. Let them submit another requirement and you will see how that requirement will be thrown at their faces. They want Simon Ekpa to be extradited. On what ground? Is he your citizen? He has denounced Nigerian and he has returned the medal he won in 2003. So why are they now still calling for his extradition? Evidence has been proven, and also fact has been pointed that Simon Ekpa is innocent. So what else are they looking for? What else? My dear listeners, I am very, very happy to hear this very news that Ekpa will be leaving prison any moment from now. It's so sweet to hear and so interesting to know. My dear listeners, now we are pleading and praying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu too will regain his freedom, because that is who everyone has been waiting for a very long time. So, in between Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, any out of the two will be set free any moment from now. So, Nwano, Ndi Igbo, prepare yourself, because the leaders of the Biafrans are set and ready to return back to power. This is interesting. All right, let me quickly hear from you on this matter, and then let's know how you feel about this and what your take about this is. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.